How to make a mortgage payment with Wells Fargo. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be discussing about how to make a mortgage payment with Wells Fargo. So to make a mortgage payment with Wells Fargo, you can use several convenient methods such as online banking or mobile app, as well as by visiting in person at a particular branch or by simply sending a mail. So let's talk about online banking or mobile application methods. So you just have to sign into your Wells Fargo online or mobile app and just set up one-time or recurring payments from your checking or saving accounts. And for automatic payments, you can just enroll in automatic payments for a hands-off approach where payments are automatically deducted from your chosen account due to the date on the due date. So you can also use the bill pay method, that is, you have to use Wells Fargo's bill pay service to manage and schedule payments to your mortgage and other bills in one place. So if you like to visit a branch, you just have to locate a nearby Wells Fargo branch and make a payment at the teller or customer service desk. And the third method is you can just check in by sending a mail, mailing your payment to the address provided in your welcome letter, as payments by check are processed electronically and the check is destroyed. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.